What's going on, Bam Fam? I am on the bike today. I finally, after count 'em, 4 attempts of getting my microphone set up, finally got it to the point where it's good to go. We're gonna do some hooligan shit here, because I don't like being behind vehicles. So I'm gonna cut that part out, so you don't know how fast I was going just now. I was in Mexico. Proved me wrong. I finally got my mic set up where I want it. Finally got my whole helmet set up how it needs to be. Wow, is this guy drunk? What are you doing, drunkie? And I'm finally able to get out on the bike and film a little video for you guys. And talk about my inspiration for starting my YouTube channel. It's currently, I'd say, in the high 60s at the moment, so it feels really good. What got me started? What got me inspired to start a YouTube channel? This is a really difficult question to answer because it's kind of a trifold answer. First reason is I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a while. I've been talking myself out of it, basically. So the more YouTube videos I watched, like Blockhead, of course, Shade Tree Surgeon, Her Two Wheels, who else? Bikin' Bird. The more I watched all of their YouTube videos, woo, what's up? The more I really wanted to get into it. It's so hot. The more I wanted to get into actually starting my own YouTube channel. A couple of things really got me inspired. And number one was during COVID, so many of these big YouTuber motovloggers on YouTube were stepping out of their comfort zone and doing awesome things to start. What up? Dude, everybody's out on their bikes. I mean, it's a beautiful day, so why not? So all of these YouTubers were stepping out of their comfort zones to start their channels, or not start their channels, but add to their channel. You know, Shade Tree Surgeon woke up one day and was like, screw it, I'm going on a trip up the United States from Florida to damn near Canada to see Niagara Falls. And that really just, man, that really just inspired the hell out of me. So, there I am. Number 2, Shade Tree Surgeon again. Basically it was like, hey, I have this lifelong dream of opening up a garage where everybody can come in and do their thing. I saw that, and you know, and he really went out on a limb and teamed up with old Flipnaw, and now they've got their own garage. And while it's not to the point where they want it to be. Anyway, long story short, what I'm trying to say is Shade Tree Surgeon, the spontaneity of Shade Tree Surgeon, that really inspired me. So at that point, I was not only inspired to start a YouTube channel, but I also was inspired to go on a road trip. And the funny thing was, right after I saw that video, I want to say like a day or two later, my buddy Dan hit me up. He's like, hey dude, I'm going on a road trip from South Carolina to Virginia, gonna meet up with one of my buddies up in Virginia and ride back down into Tennessee. We're gonna go to the V-Twin Visionary Tour. We're gonna hang out for 4 days. It's gonna be badass. You down? And without even questioning, I was like, hell yeah, I'm down. Let's freaking do this. And my love for motorcycles definitely deepened at that point. Which brings me into my second tier of why I started the YouTube channel. So tier 1, threefold: motorcycles. Love motorcycles. Been riding motorcycles since 2018. Yes, I know, I'm still into. And then the second reason for starting a YouTube channel was fitness. I've been into fitness for basically my entire life. I absolutely love it. I love everything about it. Motorcycles and fitness, those are my 2 loves in life. I'm gonna hit this real quick. I received a text message from my buddy. Woo! Boop, boop. All right. And here we go. We're off. For the past, well, ever since I joined the military, I was, up until about a year ago, I was very, very, very deep into bodybuilding and powerlifting. And I finally got got to a point, I loved the way my body looked, but I hated the way it performed. About 2 years ago, I really started lacking motivation and losing motivation, and just, I really started getting out of it. I started getting the dad bod on, and really started becoming unhappy with where I was. So I decided to give CrossFit a try about 4 months ago. I'm doing the Rich Froning CrossFit programming, CrossFit Mayhem. I have it downloaded on the SugarWatt app. Hello! And I've honestly been loving it. My fitness level has just increased significantly. My work capacity, my aerobic conditioning, my strength even, especially my strength, which has been awesome. At any rate, I wanted to start my YouTube channel with fitness also, for the simple fact that I want to teach my kids, not just in everyday life, but I want to teach them resiliency through fitness, resiliency through pain, basically, because that's what fitness is, right? It's just a bunch of pain. It's making you sweat and hurt and tired and sore, and you're putting your body through hell, but you're making yourself so much stronger, both physically and mentally. I want them to see that they can be, alright, they can be so much stronger, both physically and mentally, than what they think. Motorcycle! Woo! Big reasons. I love motorcycles. I love fitness. I want to share my content with the world. Whether people sign up for it, subscribe, all of that obviously I'm very happy if you do. But my goal here is not money. My goal is not to just push an agenda to, you know, try and convince people of one type of fitness or motorcycle or whatever. I am a fan of anybody on two wheels. I am a fan of anybody doing any type of fitness. I am here because I feel like I have something to share, and I want to share that. And if it never gets big, awesome. If it does, awesome. So, leaving my buddy Joey's house. Had a great chat with him. We're going to go on a ride with him in the morning. We're going to do what we like to call the Wateree Loop. We basically ride around Lake Wateree on a really cool loop. It's really fun. It's a little bit twisty. You get to see some sights, and it's great. Obviously, it is nighttime, so y'all aren't gonna be able to see much, so I am going to go ahead and sign off. But before I do, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Comment down below some other stuff you want to see. Don't forget to like the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.